Hi, this is Marisa, and I will now explain how to play Idea 22. This is an abridged or shortened version of the piece, and we will have three flats in our key signature. We'll have A flat, B flat, and E flat. Okay, so this key signature can be either E flat major or C minor. And just remember that we'll be working with those three. Let's start with just the right hand and we'll go over the melody. We start with a 4-measure introduction that repeats, and that has finger 1 on A flat, finger 4 on E flat. Then we move up to 1 on C, 5 on G. That introduction repeats with A flat, E flat, then C, G. Then we move into the main melody. So finger 3 on treble C, which is the C an octave above middle C. Then we play A flat, E flat, D with finger 4 on D. Stay in that position. C, E flat, D, C. Finger 2 will play B flat. Cross under with your thumb to play treble C. Then 3 on E flat, 5 on G. Stay in this position now. We have C, G, E flat, D, C, E flat, D, C, cross over to B flat with finger 3, but then back under to C with 1. And then into the next section of the piece. Ultimately, we are spanning a 7th chord here from treble C up to B flat. So the fingering I'm going to have you use will account for the 7th chord and the stretch that we need. So 1 on C, then 3 on G, then C up to B flat with finger 5, then 4 on A flat, 3 on G, 2 on E flat, 1 on D, then 5 on G, 2 on D this time, then C, then back up to finger 3 on G for another 7th reach from C to B flat, finger 4 on A flat, then G, E flat with 2, 1 on D, 5 on G, 2 on D, C. Now bring 5 down to E flat, then C, then thumb on A flat. So we're in A flat position now. Repeat A flat, back up to E flat, D, E flat, D, C, B flat, C. I'm staying in position. E flat, C, A flat, E flat, D. Then I hold and I go into the next position, which I will move into C position using treble C as my bass note. So we have C, G with 5, then 3 on E flat, D, C, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, 5. So my fingering is staying in this position. I land on my 3rd. I have a fermata over this note, which means I can hold it out longer till I feel ready to go on. So now we'll move into the final section of this shortened version. So D, C, get ready for that 7th chord stretch again. So 3 on G, C, B flat with 5, 4 on A flat, G, then 2 on E flat, 1 on D, bring 5 to G, 2 D, then C with 1, then repeat C, then 3rd finger stretches again to G, for C, B flat, A flat, G, E flat, then 1 on D, 2 on G, 4 on B flat, 5 on high C, then down a 6th to E flat with finger 2. You're going to play E flat again, but switch to finger 3 for a new position lineup. Then 2, 3, 2, then finger 1 on C, cross over now to B flat with 2, finger 3 on C, then 5, 3, 1. So now I'm back into that A flat position. But then bring the 4th finger up to high E flat and keep it there. 3, 4, 3. And then I have just one more note of this piece. I'm going to move up to a D an octave higher, play that with finger 5. Now the left hand. So we have 3 beats in a measure, and the left hand maintains a steady 1 beat count for us. So it's like our metronome. It keeps the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the right hand moves in between those beats, but the left hand keeps the steady beat for us. So we begin with an A flat major chord in the left hand. So finger 4, I'd like you to start on 2 A flats below middle C. So 4, and then you're going to come up to a second inversion A flat chord with fingers 1, 2, 4. 4, 2, 1. Okay, so you're going to play that on beat 2 of the first measure and beat 3. Keep on with 1, 2, 3. So those are the first 2 measures. Then we move into C minor chord. Finger 5 on C. Then we have a second inversion C minor chord with 1, 2, 5. Beat 2, beat 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Those 4 measures will repeat. So A flat major chord, C minor chord. Then we go into an F minor chord. So we have fingers 5, 1, and 3. C minor, 5, 1, and 3. Then go down to B flat with finger 4, then up an octave to the next higher B flat, and fingers 1 and 3 play B flat and D. Then your 4th finger is in position to play this A flat, then fingers 1 and 2, C and E flat, then F minor, C minor, back to the B flat, up an octave with fingers 1 and 3, then that step below on A flat, A major chord, then all 3 tones together for 3 beats. Into the next section, A minor, A major, and then F minor, and then C minor, B flat, A flat major, F minor, C minor. So as you can see, this is a loop, B flat major, A flat major, F minor, C minor, B flat, A flat, F minor, C minor. Then the last chord of the section is the B flat, and then up to B flat and D. 1, 2, 3. One more time, and hold. 2, 3. Into the next section. We're going to move down to A flat here with finger 5, and then with 1 and 2, E flat and A flat. Repeat that. Then 4 on E flat. Then 1 and 2 on A flat C. Down to broken C minor chord. Back to this inverted E flat with G and C on top. So that's a C minor inverted. Then back to A flat major. Now inverted with E flat on bottom. Then root position C minor. Then inverted C minor. Then A flat again. Inverted. The correct fingering. Pause and check your fingering if you need to. And then we end with the C minor chord. And this brings us into that final section. It will be A flat, major chord, 1, 2, 4 for the fingering here, to an F minor with 5, 3, 1, C minor. Here I have 1, 2, 5, down to B flat. Play that low black key with the finger 4, and then come up, 1, 2, 5. That was B flat. Then down to A flat, and here 1, 2, 4. Okay, then F minor, 5, 3, 1, C minor. And we're using the same fingering, so you can always pause and check. Make sure you're using the right fingering for those inversions. Then A flat, finger 4, 1 and 2 on C and E flat. F minor, up up to a C minor, a little higher than usual, then B flat, D and F, then A flat, C and E flat, F minor, C minor, and then we're going to finish with B flat major. Then all together, slowing down, getting softer for the final chord that you hold for 3 beats. Okay, now we'll put the hands together and count. So as I mentioned, we have 3 beats per measure. Left hand keeps the beat for us. Right hand fits in between. So we have 8th notes in the right hand in the introduction. We have 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Right hand's holding out the tie. Repeat that. 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, as the right hand continues, we will have 16th notes at the end of the measure. So a tie followed by 2 16ths at the end into the next measure. So that looks like 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3 and a 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, hold, 2, hold, 3. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, hold, 2, hold, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And this is where the fermata is. Again, that means you have the license to hold it out longer than the note usually gets. So this is beat 1, and it's over a half note, so hold it through 2, and then when you're ready, tie it to 3, play on and, then together 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then together on that final measure, 1, 2, 3. And then you're done. Great job and happy practicing.